What's up? What's up? Hope y'all had a good afternoon. Is this thing coming through on the Facebook? Yeah, on Facebook. Anyway, let me get on here and get started with this. There we go. Okay. So I'm sure we probably have some people tuned in. As you see in the title description, how can I print these credit letters out? Um, what am I talking about? Well, uh, the Fair Credit Reporting Act allows you to dispute negative items off your credit report. If you follow my posts, my Facebook, or any of my social media, you'll see I've been talking about it quite a bit. Now, um, this video is aimed is with some of my teammates in mind, as well as some of my customers in mind, because it's a little bit of a learning curve, especially if you're not very computer savvy. But I'm going to show you a couple of quick ways that I print these letters off. And these letters are designed to get negative items removed, whether you're sending them to the bureaus, to a creditor, to a medical collections agency, whatever the case. Um, it's very simple to print these off. And basically, you download the form, you input your information, and you send it off according to the directions of whatever you're disputing. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples here. First, we are going to go to we're going to go to my MyEcon membership here. Let me log into this thing. And this is an important thing because I've been able to dispute several different items off my report. In fact, in fact, I just had a friend of mine. She used one of the letters I'm about to show you. She used it to get a $5,000 medical collection off her report. So these letters are very powerful. So it's simple information, but it's very important because it's not difficult to print these off. So I'm gonna just show you real quick. So I'm gonna go to my econ membership under income shifting membership. And I'm going to my credit system. Now, under the my credit system, you're going to have 10 modules of how to repair, maintain, and build good credit. The part we're going to emphasize on is the part about addressing negative payment history, fixing your credit. So as you see, you have introduction there. You got how to obtain your credit report, how to read your credit report. And I think I'm gonna do some videos on these too, how to dispute items on your report. The section we're going to is module 5, how to remove negative payment history. So let's get on to there. These are where the letters are. So as you see, you get different forms for different purposes. Credit dispute letters. These are for items on your credit report that you send to the bureaus, and you're disputing the validity of these items, and they have to verify within 30 days. So then you've got IRS tax liens, and then in medical collections. So the two we're going to look at is the medical collections and these 609 dispute letters, credit dispute letters here. So if you're going to do this for yourself, let's look at the credit dispute letter here. So what you would do is you would just download. You would use a DOS-X if you want to fill this out electronically. Now, if you just want to write this out, you can just download the PDF and write in your information. But I would recommend you use DOS-X to electronically put in your information. Now, what you would do if you've got some sort of word processing unit, you would just use that. So I just happen to have Word on here. But say if you don't have, thank you. Let's say you don't have a subscription for Office 365. So let's get rid of that. So what you would do, what I've been doing, I use some free software to print these off with. And if this thing would move out my way, I would go, if you got a Google account, like a Gmail, anybody with a Gmail can use their free apps, the Docs apps. And so basically what you would do, you just start a new document. Actually, hold on. Actually, that's incorrect. Let me do this again. Oh, here's what I was looking for. All right, you start a new document, and then you would just open up a file, share with me. Upload. You upload, and then you would just go to the letter I just downloaded. Boom. And this is free in Google Docs. And then you just follow the directions here, the dispute letter instructions. So if you got items on your report that you want to dispute, you would send them to all three bureaus. All the bureaus that the item shows up on. You would send it with the valid two forms of ID. The valid IDs are listed there. And then you would just use letter one, and you would just take these red things and put in your information here, date, put in the bureau and the addresses. And my credit system gives you the address of all three bureaus. And then you would put in the personal information of the accounts that you're challenging. That's simple, print, sign. You can have it notarized if you so desire. Mail it certified mail and wait the 30 days and see what happens. And a lot of times, more often than not, things get removed because they're not validated within 30 days. So, but anyway, I use Google Docs to do that. Now, another way you can do that is using, if you have a Microsoft email, MSN, Hotmail, anything like that, what you can do, they have a cloud service available as well. To use their Office service. So we will use Word and upload and open. So we will upload something, dispute letters, bam. And the process is the exact same. So, but these are some two tools that you can use to print these letters off. They're free as items that I use all the time. I use both of these, just depending on what device I'm using. You don't have to have some fancy word processor subscription to do it. But if you got it, let me turn the share off. But if you got it, go ahead and use what you got. But the letters are pretty simple to share. There's two tools that I've just showed you how to do to use. So any of my customers, any of my teammates that are having trouble printing these letters off, hopefully this video will help you. And let me see if we get any questions here. Now, one valid question you may have is, where do I get these letters from? Now, you could probably Google some information how to fix your credit. You can find you a book on that. But I'll tell you where I've got my information from. It is from the My Credit system that you may have seen. No, let's not do that. That's not what I wanted. This is what I want. So, and what you're looking at is the income shifting membership. It includes all that the My Credit System, Cash Flow Manager, other educational things, correct your W-4, investment education, all that's included in your membership, which is only $30 a start, $35 a month. Or you can get just the My Credit System. You get lifetime access for only $120, but you get access to that whole system. I would recommend the membership because the membership you can refer to others and make money back. $25 direct commissions plus anywhere from $1 to $7 for as long as your clients and teammates keep the service. You get that residual, but you can get the My Credit System by itself, $120. I have some people that are about to do that now, and it's fine with me. Matter of fact, I'll show you how to do that. And basically, all you have to do is just go to the Brothaman at thebrothaman.myecon.net, and you can get just the My Credit System right here, along with a bunch of other stuff. And it's a lot of what I just showed you. $120, lifetime access to the My Credit System. No membership required for that. If that's all you want, I'll be glad to get it to you. I might even throw in a free vitamin or some coffee whatever you like, if anybody gets that full retail. But I would recommend the membership because the membership gives you a lot more value, gives you the opportunity for a home-based business, the tax advantages that go with that. Not to mention the income opportunity, as I mentioned before. You just share it with others, just like I'm doing it now. And when people sign up for the membership, you get paid $25 a person. And when they keep the membership, they keep paying anywhere from $1 to $7. It's that simple. If anyone's interested, message me. I'll be glad to help you out. Hopefully that helps out some of my customers and teammates that have the system now and are having trouble printing it out. Hopefully this helps. Those two valuable tools should help out. Anyway, hope y'all have a good evening. Peace.